Have you ever tried spelt flour? No. Well, you're not alone. Many of us are unfamiliar with this ancient grain. Spelt flour, my friends, is a type of flour derived from the belt grain, a cousin to wheat that has been around for over 5,000 years. Originating from the Fertile Crescent of the Middle East, it was a staple in the diets of ancient civilizations. You might be wondering, if it's so ancient, why isn't it more well known today? The answer lies in the Industrial Revolution. With the advent of modern milling techniques, easier to process wheat varieties took center stage, pushing spelt into obscurity. However, just because it's been overlooked doesn't mean it's not worth rediscovering. In fact, spelt flour is packed with a wealth of nutrients and unique properties that make it a worthwhile addition to our pantry. So now that we know what spelt flour is, let's dive into why it's good for our health. Spelt flour isn't just ancient. It's packed with modern-day health benefits. Allow me to take you on a journey through the nutritional landscape of this grain. Starting with its high fiber content. Spelt flour is a fiber powerhouse. It's this high fiber content that makes spelt flour an excellent choice for those seeking to maintain a healthy digestive system and manage their weight. Fiber is like the unsung hero of our diet. It aids in digestion, keeps us feeling full and satisfied, and can help to lower cholesterol levels. But the health benefits of spelt flour don't stop at fiber. This ancient grain is also a rich source of essential vitamins and minerals that our bodies need to function optimally. It contains an impressive array of B vitamins, including thiamine, niacin, and riboflavin, which play crucial roles in energy metabolism. It's also packed with minerals like iron, magnesium, and zinc. Iron is vital for the production of red blood cells. Magnesium contributes to a healthy immune system. And zinc is important for wound healing and a well-functioning sense of taste and smell. And let's not forget about protein. Yes, you heard that right. Spelt flour is a good source of plant-based protein, making it a valuable addition to vegetarian and vegan diet. Protein is essential for growth and repair in the body and for maintaining good health. One of the remarkable things about spelt flour is that it delivers these nutrients in a whole grain package. This means that unlike refined grains, it retains all parts of the grain: the bran, germ, and endosperm. Each of these components offers unique health benefits, from heart health to blood sugar control, making spelt flour a true nutritional all-rounder. Isn't it amazing how something so ancient can be so beneficial to our health? But the benefits of spelt flour don't end there. One of the standout benefits of spelt flour is its positive impact on our digestive health. Now you might wonder, how does this ancient grain play such a crucial role in our digestion? The answer lies in its impressive fiber content. Spelt flour is a fiber powerhouse. Each serving is packed with this essential nutrient. It's this high fiber content that gives spelt flour its digestive superpowers. Fiber is the unsung hero of our digestive process. It adds bulk to our diet, helping food move smoothly through our digestive tract. It's like a broom sweeping through our intestines, pushing out waste and making sure everything runs smoothly. If you've ever experienced the discomfort of to patient, you'll know how important it is to have a healthy intake of fiber. Consuming spelt flour can help alleviate these issues. Its high fiber content can help regulate bowel movements, keeping things moving and helping you feel lighter and more comfortable. But the benefits of spelt flour for our digestive health don't stop there. This ancient grain is also a friend to our gut. You see, our gut is home to trillions of bacteria, some harmful but many beneficial. The fiber in spelt flour acts as a prebiotic, feeding the good bacteria in our gut. This helps maintain a healthy balance of gut flora, which is essential for overall digestive health. What's more, spelt flour can also play a role in weight management. The fiber it contains is not only good for our gut, but helps us feel fuller for longer. This can help control overeating and maintain a healthy weight as part of a balanced diet and active lifestyle. So not only is spelt flour nutritious, it's also a friend to our digestive system. But how can we incorporate it into our diet? If you're convinced about the benefits of spelt flour, you might be wondering how you can start using it. Well, let's dive right into that. Spelt flour is incredibly versatile and can be used in a variety of recipes. It's a whole grain, meaning it retains all its nutritional goodness during the milling process. Think of your favorite baked goods and dishes: bread, muffins, pancakes, pasta, even your morning porridge. All these can be made healthier with spelt flour. Simply substitute half the amount of regular flour with spelt. Its slightly sweet, nutty flavor adds a delightful twist to your meals. And if you're thinking about your morning smoothie, why not add a spoonful of spelt for an extra nutritional boost? It blends well, and you'll hardly notice it's there. As a general rule, remember to gradually incorporate it into your diet, allowing your digestive system to adjust. So it's easy to see how spelt flour can be a great addition to our diet. In this short span, we've traveled back in time to discover an ancient grain and have found a new friend in spelt flour. We've explored the uncharted territory of this nutritious grain, unraveled its numerous health benefits, and understood its positive impact on digestive health. How fascinating it is to learn that something as simple as spelt flour can pack such a powerful punch of nutrients, from being a rich source of vitamins and minerals to its high fiber content, aiding digestion. It's no wonder this ancient grain is making a comeback. We've also delved into how effortlessly this versatile flour can be incorporated into our diets.